Yes, my people, if your Mac storage is full, it's often hard to figure out exactly what files are taking up space. The storage categories in Mac, especially your system data, don't always clearly show where the largest files are located. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple terminal command that scans your Mac and reveals the biggest folders on your laptops or your computer so you can quickly see what's taking up storage. Now, I did a tutorial a couple months back on how to clear your system data, so I'm going to leave the link below. As you can see now, a second ago my system data was over 245 gigabytes. It's now dropped to 64 gigabytes and it's now moved everything and introduced documents. So instead of guessing now which folders are large, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan my Mac quickly and find the biggest folders on this laptop. I'm going to go to my apps and I'm going to type in terminal. I'm going to open the terminal. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to type in a quick terminal command that's going to scan my laptop for the list of the largest folders. So I'm going to type the following. Press enter. I'll leave this in the description for you guys below so you can copy and paste. Make sure you press allow. Depending on how many files you have, this may take a few seconds. Now I can immediately see which folders are taking up the most storage. So 98 gigabytes is on my desktop. I've got 44 gigabytes in my library, 43 gigabytes in my downloads, 30 gigabytes in my YouTube thumbnail tutorial folder, and so on. So now based on this, I can go to my folders in my Finder and I can review the files inside and decide which ones I want to delete. Finding these large files can also help you understand what might be contributing to your storage categories like your system data. If your system data is particularly large and you want to learn how to clear that specifically, scroll down to the tutorial in my link below. But the first step to fixing storage issues on your Mac is understanding what files are actually using the space. And this quick scan is one of the easiest ways to find out. If you've liked what you've seen, guys, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.